Welcome back. Today we are making this decadent red velvet Oreo cheesecake. The first step is to work on our crust, and you can either do this in a food processor or you can crush up your Oreos using a Ziploc bag and rolling pin, and then fold in your granulated sugar and melted butter in a bowl. You can also do this in the food processor directly though to avoid any dishes. Once your crumbs look relatively moist, it's time to place them in our prepared 8-inch springform pan. So you want to make sure that you've sprayed this with nonstick spray or baking spray, and it also helps if you add a parchment round to the bottom. We're going to bake that for 10 minutes at 300 degrees, and while it bakes and cools, we're going to work on our cheesecake filling. So you want to mix your cream cheese for at least 4 to 5 minutes on a medium to medium high speed to get it nice and fluffy. Then you add in all of your other ingredients, which include sour cream, granulated sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, heavy cream, and of course some red gel food coloring. You're going to mix that on a low speed until it's nice and smooth, and then I add in my eggs. I like to mix them separately in a bowl and then slowly pour them in while mixing on low so that we don't work in too much extra air into our batter. As soon as the eggs are incorporated, I actually just like to finish folding the batter by hand with a rubber spatula. Then I tap it on my counter a few times to release any air bubbles, pour half of it over my cooled crust, add in a half cup of chopped Oreos, pour on the remaining batter, and then bake it very low and slow. I have detailed instructions on how to bake this cheesecake on Chelsweets.com, and the link is included in the video description below. Once it is baked and cooled, you can decorate it however you want. I decided to use some melted chocolate, whipped cream, and of course lots of extra Oreos. It's super important that you wait until your cheesecake is fully chilled after it's been in the fridge for at least a few hours to cut in. This will allow you to get a really nice clean slice, and it will give your cheesecake that perfect creamy and decadent texture that you're after. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.